Hello, good morning, class 12th. So, we'll be proceeding towards our short composition's third topic, appointments. Earlier, we already have studied the matrimonials one and the property ones, or those were the really easiest advertisements which we can make. And the third one is appointments. It is regarding आप लोगों को किसी जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करना है उसके लिए, and if you want to call as someone for a job, for candidateship and for some candidates. So two types of appointment advertisements are there. First one is situation vacant and the second one is situation wanted. This first one, situation vacant, it means कि एक पोस्ट खाली है इन अ कंपनी और एनीवेयर द वर्किंग प्लेस, वहाँ पर एक पोस्ट खाली है एंड एज अ एडमिन डिपार्टमेंट यू आर कॉलिंग सम कैंडिडेट्स टू अप्लाई फॉर द पर्टिकुलर जॉब. So there are some points which you have to be very careful while calling for some candidates to apply for job and for putting some advertisements on your local newspaper. So what are the points you have to be careful about? There they are. Name and address of organization, okay, then name of post and number of vacancy which is available. You have to first tell the name and address of the organization and then name of the post and number of vacancy. You have to tell about that in that advertisement. Then you have to mention the age, sex and health, okay. You have to mention that what age, till what age you want as an employer to be in your organization, and sex especially. If there are some companies which always prefer female candidates or male candidates, so you have to mention that. Health, what kind of health do you want? A healthy fit, mentally fit. So essential qualification which is needed for that post, you have to mention that. Experience, you have to mention that also, that you've been needed 4-year experience or 5-year experience candidates, or you need a fresh one. Salary and perks, you have to mention that also, that how much of salary you can give to that particular person who is applying for a post in your organization. Last date and interview date and time. Last date of applying and the interview date which you will be specifying in your advertisement, and also the time on which the interview will be going to held. Next, the last topic which you have to include in that advertisement is your contact address or post office box number. So these points you have to be very careful about. Now we'll come to situation wanted. It is situation vacant, the post is empty and you want to call candidates, and this is situation wanted. You are a candidate and you want to apply somewhere. ये उस चीज़ के लिए होता है कि you are actually giving an advertisement, you want a job, so you are applying for that. So just have to do the same thing, box and situation wanted or required. Name of profession, you'll tell about that. You'll tell about your qualifications and the experience you've gained till now. Age, sex, health, as mentioned, we have already mentioned in situation vacant above. Other qualifications, other qualities you have, you're good in sports, you're good in music, extracurricular activities. Salary expected, how much salary you are expecting, and at last your contact number. Now we'll go to the next one, and we can see on this page I have already written some examples for you for situation when vacant as well as for situation wanted. We'll be going to with the first example of situation vacant, which is DK International is looking for a receptionist. DK International is a school which is actually looking for a receptionist, and so you are that institution, okay. So you have to write an advertisement, officer, in the classified column of your local newspaper. You have to give all the necessary details which we have, the points we have already discussed above. Draft an advertisement, okay, and it should not be more than 50 words. So what we have done in this, as usual, we have to make one box and then we'll write heading situation vacant. and then we'll start writing our matter. Wanted a female receptionist for our school. This is a advertisement on behalf of DK International. The candidate must be well behaved. ओके, हम लोगों ने बता दिया कि कैंडिडेट जो है वो वेल बिहेव्ड होना चाहिए एंड वेल स्पोकन. शी मस्ट बी अ कॉन्वेंट ग्रेजुएट, यू टोल्ड दैट ऑल्सो, एंड मस्ट हैव 2 years एक्सपीरियंस. यू ऑल्सो मैंशन कि जो भी कैंडिडेट अप्लाई करता है ही और शी शुड हैव 2 years ऑफ वर्किंग experience. Salary is negotiable. It means that if you go over there, they will negotiate with you, and whatever you find it easy, they'll consider that for you. Last date for application यहाँ पे 28 September 2021. DK Administrative Offices, DK International, Shastri Nagar, Jodhpur, and your phone number. This was your situation vacant advertisement. Now, towards our situation wanted, you want to apply. So, example 2, you want to take a part-time job of a data entry operator. आप एक part-time job करना चाहते हो ऐसा data entry operator के through. Now you have to draft a advertisement ताकि वो आपके situation wanted column में in a local newspaper publish कराया जा सके. As usual, you have to make one box. You have to write the heading situation wanted. And now we'll start. A fairly experienced data entry operator seeks part-time job during evening hours. You just have to do it for evening hours के लिए ही आपको ये job चाहिए. आपने यहाँ पे mention किया है. Young and energetic, previously worked with a CA. आपने ये भी बताया यहाँ पे कि मैंने पहले एक CA के अंडर में भी काम किया है. And can handle accounts also. Salary negotiable as usual. And please contact JP Mathur. अपना address Kamla Colony, Jodhpur, and phone number. So class 12th. This was our situation vacant and situation wanted examples. You just have to do these in your copies. Complete your work as soon as possible. We'll be call you for your notebook checking anytime. Thank you so much.